Hello, let me welcome you to Wall Street Marvels Consult, the home of relevant Excel solutions for industry. Today we want to look at a very powerful formula in Microsoft Excel called count if. Count if. Count if. We are going to use count if to answer some practical questions. And through that, we are going to understand this wonderful tool or operation. Okay, I'll begin with this. Let's say you are a salesman in a shop, and these are the items that you sell: plate, bowl, chair, bead, plate, bowl, chair, bead, plate, bowl. And this is the amount per cost in Ghana City, and let's see if I can get a total here. Okay, 128. Let's see, let me make it white so we can see it. Yeah, so we want to answer some questions. Let's say these are my sales for the day: 128.10 Ghana City. So I want to answer this question. Let's say we have tons of this data, and I cannot manually go through every one of them one by one, but I wanted to know how many plates were bought or how many bees were bought, and I want to know which item amounted to an X amount of money. So let's begin. So I'll begin with count if. When I bring in the count if and the count if opens, there are two things that are very relevant. The first one is the range, and the second one is the criteria for the range that you select. So always there is a range where you are supposed to pick the data you want. And after picking that data from the range, you need to specify the criteria for selection. And these are the things you need. So I want to answer the question, how many plates were bought? So what is the range for place? The range for place is called item. So I'll come to the item range and select every range here. A range is a group of cells, okay? So I select the cells, the group of cells that constitute the range called item. Having selected that, out of that range, what I need is plate. Yeah, I need plate. So by this, I will know the quantity of plates that were bought or that were sold that day. So what do I have? The answer is 3, which is correct. So we have plate here, we have another here, and we have another here, making 3. Instead of going through manually, count if has given it to me simply. Let's do it for the bees. So I'll write count if, then bring the bracket, select the range, then bring my comma, then I have to select the criteria, and the criteria here is bead. The criteria is bead. Good. Yeah. So there we go. So we are told that we bought only 2 quantities of bees were bought. 2 quantities of bees were bought. So I want to answer the last question before I bring the curtains down. So count if, then I bring the bracket side. So we want to know which item amounted to Ghana City 50. So I have to come to the amount range, okay? So I need to come here. So I need to come to this amount range. Then I bring the camera side. Then I bring the specific data I need. So which amount, which item amounted to 50 Ghana cedi. 50 Ghana cedi. So, okay. So I want to know the number of items that maybe amounted to 50 Ghana cedi. How many items amounted to 50 Ghana cedi? That's what I want to answer. Yeah, 50. So 50.00. So there are two items amounted to 50. One is here and one is there. Good. So which item amounted to 50? Amounted to, let me change this question. Amounted to let's say 10 and above. So Ghana cedi 10. So which we want to measure this. Which item we are on this? So which item amounted to Ghana cedi 10 and above? So let's do that one. So this one will be 10. So this one will be 10. So I want something that is greater. Let's see whether I can get my greater sign. Yeah, I got it. So greater or equal to 10. So we need an amount that is either greater or equal to 10. Okay, how many? Okay, we have 4. Okay, so greater than, so we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4. So instead of me going to manually, Countif helps me. Thank you for joining us. There will be more to be given to you on upcoming videos. Do send me your views on this. If you have any challenges, kindly let me know, and I'll be so glad to help you. Thank you. Have a great day.